back to my channel. My name is Nadia. If you're new here, hello. I do videos on fashion, travel, lifestyle and beauty, and today's video is basically where I am doing a few hairstyles with a few like scarves, like different ways to tie your hair with scarves. And basically I found these scarves while I was purging my closet to get rid of stuff, and I found like these scarves, so many of them way back from college. Like literally I used to wear these scarves in college, and this is like in the year from 2000 to 2005. Yeah, I'm old, but yes, I did wear all these. I didn't throw them out. I found them now and I thought, wait a minute, I can't get rid of these. I am going to use them for my hair this monsoon season because they're colorful, they're bright, they're happy, and you know, that's the best way to dress for the monsoon gloomy weather. I hate dressing gloomy and feeling gloomy, so I like to wear bright, happy colors, as my nails tell you as well. But yeah, anyway, so I just use a couple of these scarves to tie my hair in different ways. Most of the hair I like leaving my hair down, but yeah, because of the monsoon we get really frizzy. But I found that these are a really cute way of keeping your hair in place, and this crown area doesn't really come up with the frizz. But yeah, do let me know if you like any of these hairstyles with the scarves. I don't even know if they're hairstyles, but you know, whatever, I've just used them and I am trying to be a little creative with my hair. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video.
So for the first one, I'm taking a long scarf and I'm just tying it around my hair into like a ponytail, really tight, and adjusting the hair. And then I'm making a bow. I think this looks really cute and really nice for, you know, the day to just add something to your hair. And it keeps it in place as well. This is how it looks at from the back. I like wearing my hair like this on the side. For the second one, I'm taking a square scarf, folding it triangle, and I'm just tying that around my head and putting a knot at the back, a double knot, and then just adjusting it to my liking. You can see how it looks at the back. It's basically like tying a bandana, but it looks really nice because it keeps the hair in place. For the third look, I'm taking a long white scarf in pearly white, and I'm just tying that around my head in a little bow, a big bow. And I'm taking that on the side of my face. You can pull out a few strands just for some more structure to the face. I really love this look. It's so cute. It's almost a little French looking. It does keep the hair in place, but not as much as I would want to for the monsoons. But it's cute anyhow. For this look, I'm taking a triangular scarf with some tassels. I've put my hair in a side parting. And this I'm taking from the back of my hair and tying it in the front. That went wrong, so I did that again. And then taking it behind and tying it again. The front part you just twist till you get a nice twist, and then you can just put that, mine didn't go right, so I twisted it again and then just rolled it up and tucked it in. Since this is really old, all the tassels were kind of falling and tearing and whatever. But this is really cute. It's my favorite look ever. This really keeps your hair in place, especially the crown area. You can even wear your hair like this on the side, or take it up a notch and tie it all in a bun, which is really also very cool looking and stylish. Again, I'm taking a triangular scarf, although you can take any long scarf as well, and just put it under your hair. And I'm basically twisting it around my head, taking it under and tying it up. This is the most simplest thing. You can do it with a piece of long colorful cloth as well. It really looks cool. And then I'm just pulling out a few strands just for that little extra. Really love this look. It's easy. It's almost like you're wearing a hairband and you're keeping your hair in place. Morning comes and I'm seeing the dark clouds up in the air. A weight on my shoulders, it's dragging me down, and no one's there to break my spell. Then lightning strikes and I'm seeing an angel walking in the sand. I'm just twisting this again because it was really frizzy and I didn't really twist it, but you can use some gel or cream to just twist this and put this in place. Also, you can take two clips like this. I love these pearly clips, and just put your hair up a little bit. And this is really very cool. It's very boho looking and I absolutely love it. So it kind of keeps the back of the hair in place as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you soon, guys. Love you and leave you. Mwah. Bye.